Okay, so we're going to sing 2 songs to help you welcome in your new life and hope that you only have happiness. But when the troubles come your way, you get through it together with your love. So that's what our song is about.
That is a perfect all moment.
It's called Nabo Ananda, which means new happiness. It's by Rabindranath Tagore. Nabo Anande Jago Aji Nabo Robi Kirane Shubro Shundaro Priti Ujalo Nirmalo Jibane Nabo Anande Jago
Yeah, do you want to share?